Well friends, in this video I'm going to explain that how to play a very popular Hindi song of the movie Sharabi, that is Inteha Ho Gayi Intezar Ki. In the beginning I'd like to request that please like the video, share it among your friends and subscribe the channel. And four chords have been used in this song, and the four chords goes as follows. Well, the first one is the E minor, so you will put your two fingers here at the fifth and the fourth string of the second fret. Here you will put your first T's two fingers. This is how you'll make, and the first, second, third and the sixth string will be played as open. So this is how you'll make the E minor chord. Then the second chord that will come into the picture will be the D major chord. So D major will be made something like this, that you'll put your finger here at the second fret, the second finger here and the third finger here, and this is how you will make the D major chord, and all the strings will be played. For C major, you will place your finger here at the first string of the second fret, the second string, first fret. Then these two fingers will come here, and this is how you'll make the C major chord. And for B flat, you will put your fingers like this, the first finger here, and three fingers will go at the third fret of the second, third and fourth string, and the other or top two strings, that is the fifth and the sixth strings, will not be played. So remember it, that while playing this song chord, you will not struck the first two strings, and you only the lower four strings will be played, right? So this is how you will make the four chords. Quickly I'm introducing you to the chords again. This is E minor, D, C, B flat, right? Now beginning the song, the beat pattern goes like this. It is right, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, right? Now starting the song, you will play 8 E minors for the first line. Inteha ho gayi, intezar ki. Right? आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की. For that also, आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की. So this one will be covered only by the E minor. Now a change will come, and this will all be covered from ये है मैं यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं, all the portion on D major. ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं. Now come the trick. Here you will play two B flats, half C and a pause. Two B flats. फिर वजह क्या हुई? There is a pause. Right? Again I'm showing it to you. B flat, C, pause. Right? फिर वजह क्या हुई? Then 4 E minors. इंतजार की. I'm explaining this tricky melodious line again. फिर वजह क्या हुई? इंतजार की. Right? Then बात जो है उसमें बात वो यहाँ कहीं नहीं किसी में. So 4 E minors and 4 D. बात जो है उसमें बात वो यहाँ कहीं नहीं किसी में. वो है मेरी बस है मेरी शोर है यही गली गली में. 4 D and 4 E minor. वो है मेरी बस है मेरी शोर है यही गली गली में. Then साथ साथ वो है मेरे, that also goes like this. साथ साथ वो है मेरे गम में मेरे दिल की हर खुशी में. वो नहीं तो कुछ नहीं है मेरी जिंदगी में. Now every chord will come only as half. E minor, D, C and E minor, one by one. Only down stroke, no up stroke. बुझ न जाए ये शमा एतबार की. I'm showing it again to you. Only half string, half chord. That is only you will play the down stroking, no up stroking, and only half of it. E minor, D, C, E minor. बुझ न जाए ये शमा एतबार की. Then again the song will repeat. Right? So hope you have enjoyed it and learnt a lot from this video. And if you have liked it, please press the like button and write something in the comment section. I love to read your comments, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.